How to transfer your photos to Koofr on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos to Koofr on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click this one here, transfer a copy of your information, and now click next. And here you will find Koofr, click on it and then just go to videos and click none if you want to transfer only your photos, and next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.